Let's cook black beans porridge today. Ingredients are rice, black beans, corn kernel, anchovies, and goji berries. Wash black beans and anchovies, drain and set aside. Pour in all ingredients included, wash rice, add enough water and start cooking. Instant Pot will cook 30 minutes for porridge. Porridge looks good after cooked. Look at the thickness. This is the thickness I want. Season with oyster sauce and chicken powder at taste. Stir well and it's done. Garnish with goji berries and porridge is ready to be served. You may enjoy black bean porridge now. This porridge is healthy and suitable for those whom always facing computers. Hope you like it. Give it a try. Share this healthy porridge with your family and friends too. Black beans are considered nutritional powerhouses that are rich in plant-based protein, fiber, and antioxidants that help manage blood pressure, sugar, and cholesterol levels. Follow my channel for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye-bye.